It's still Wednesday 27th of July 2022, coming up for 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and just look at what they've done. It's a massive aerosol assault. And ridiculously, there's no one around. Nobody out here at all. Normally there's people out walking with the kids, dogs, whatever. Nobody. So presumably nobody even saw it. But I did. Why is it not on the news? Yeah, look, there's one going up there now. When you got the news at the minute, they're just talking about women's football. The Lionesses, whatever you want to call them. Nothing about this at all. Complete ignorance, or they just, I don't know. I don't understand it. Well, I do, but you would think there would be somebody on the news or weather, whatever, with a bit of common sense has got to say, hang on a minute, this ain't right, and do their job, instead of reading a bloody script which tells us nothing. I mean, look, come on. I think they're a disgrace. And pilots, well, even worse. Because again, there must be some pilots who've got a bit of common sense and realise this is not normal. If they've been flying for years, they know this shit does not come out the back of an aircraft normally. Seriously. No wonder the world's in such a mess. Idiots everywhere. In charge, I mean. Supposedly in charge, or in charge of nothing. There's no one coming up there, so I'm going to get a better. It's too far off at the minute. More coming up as well. Really hard to see them. But They must be able to see this. Alright, let's do it. They must be able to see it. What on earth's that one there? I don't know if that's it's a shadow, isn't it? I think. Can't really see it, it's so milky. I can see it now, it's this one that went through. Something strange going on there for sure. Look at that. I did see another one, didn't I? I think. Maybe not. Look how these are all developing.